Dear brothers and sisters, you may be surprised at the very outset of today's gospel passage, a parable. The reason is given why Jesus told this parable to the people. We don't find this in other parables, like parable of the sower, parable of the mustard seed, parable of the lost sheep. We don't find it. But today, in the gospel passage, has given us the purpose of telling this parable. If you go back into so-called the accounts, the life of Christ, all this time we have been reading from the letter from the book of Saint Luke. We have traveled a long journey, and Jesus now comes at the end, so-called, of the journey. And in the course of the journey, he has told about himself, about life, and also about his suffering. So there's a little so-called tension could be in disciples. So Jesus tells them a parable, not to be so-called, not to worry, but to trust in him. And the parable is about an unjust judge, or is it about the persevering widow? We can see on both the angles the unjust judge, but more so, I think the stress is more on the perseverance in what we undertake. Perseverance in our prayer life. It is true, we pray for this and for that. And at times, God grants us speedily. Other times, God, in a way, tests our faith. He grants after some time what we ask for. But other times, what we have asked will never be granted to us. And we begin to lose our faith. We begin to doubt his existence. We begin to doubt whether he cares for us at all. The message today is, be strong in faith. The Lord will give us what is required for our own salvation, required for our family, required for so-called our well-being. So the Lord telling us never to give up, always persevere. And this is what I think what we all do in our business or our children at school, or we encourage them. Don't worry, you have faltered now, go ahead, do and do and do. The Lord will bless your efforts. So let's today now, as we continue in this Eucharist celebration, ask the Lord to deepen our faith in him. We know that he cares for us. We know he's concerned about us. We know that he'll give us what we need for our existence here on earth and for our salvation.